Welcome back to Craft Catalog, where creativity meets clever design. Today's episode brings something truly special, 50 unique wooden designs that flip your expectations and show what's possible with simple materials. Some of these ideas may be unlike anything you've come across before, and you might even find yourself replaying certain parts just to take it all in. Wood has always been an incredibly versatile medium, but the projects in this video go far beyond the usual shelves and tables. These designs are bold, unusual, and surprisingly practical, giving your home an entirely new personality. As you watch, pay attention to the small details, unexpected forms, and creative twists that make each idea. We're starting with wooden organizers that use shape and structure in ways that are both functional and artistic. Imagine a wall organizer built with fluid curves instead of traditional straight lines. Not only does it hold keys, mail, or accessories, but it also acts as a sculptural piece on your wall. Another design features a folding wooden grid that expands or collapses depending on what you need to store. These pieces don't just organize your space, they elevate it. Moving into decor, one of the most intriguing categories today involves geometric wood art. Simple blocks arranged at increasing heights create shifting shadows that change throughout the day. Wooden circles layered in different sizes form dimensional wall pieces that feel handcrafted yet modern. There's even a wooden wave pattern that looks like it's gently flowing across the wall, creating movement without any mechanical parts. Next, we explore multifunctional designs. Picture a compact wooden cube that turns into a small desk when opened, or a standing coat rack that doubles as a soft, warm lamp when lit from within. These designs aren't just beautiful, they solve real problems in surprising ways. If you enjoy furniture that transforms, this lineup has several pieces that might spark your next build. We also highlight wooden storage systems created using repetition and rhythm. Stacked angular shapes create vertical towers that can hold books, plants, or decorative pieces. Increasing sized boxes create a spiraling shelf. Even a simple sequence of wooden slats becomes a modern magazine holder when arranged with intention. Some designs focus on texture. Carved surfaces that ripple like fabric, layered wooden strips forming soft curves, and panels that combine burned, polished, and raw wood all demonstrate the emotional warmth that texture adds. With just the right lighting, these pieces come alive. We haven't forgotten smaller scale designs. Wooden phone holders with unusual silhouettes, tiny sculptural trays, abstract candle stands, and mini geometric planters all appear in this collection. These small pieces prove that creativity isn't limited by size. You'll also see designs that play with illusion. Floating shelves that look like they aren't attached to anything. Boxes that open in unexpected directions. Wall decor that appears to shift shape depending on your angle. These clever twists make your home feel thoughtful and fun. And then there are the truly unexpected ideas, like a wooden wall map with pieces that flip to reveal hidden colors, or a layered wooden clock whose hands blend into the design. Each project brings something fresh, something imaginative, something that challenges the idea of what wooden decor can be. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to Craft Catalog. We share daily inspiration, smart DIY ideas, and artistic designs that help you transform your home without overspending. If you enjoy fresh concepts, beautiful materials, and that moment when a design surprises you, hit that subscribe button and join our creative community. Now, let's explore all 50 unique wooden designs. You may just discover the perfect idea you didn't know you needed.